Okay, so let's see if this is recording. Yes, it is. So I've literally just got home from school, changed, and put chili in the microwave for dinner. But yeah. So I noticed that I didn't have my favorite solo from the play on YouTube because for some reason they want to download, which a couple of them don't. But I don't know. So, but anyways, for Little Shop of Horrors, one of my favorite solos that I did was Downtown. So what I'm going to do for you now is sing just a part of my Downtown solo that I did for the play. So, the play's over now, but yeah, I just thought I'd have it up here because a lot of people were kind of asking for it. So, yeah, here it goes.
Till it's 5 p.m. Then you go downtown. Just kidding. But yeah, it's my solo for Little Shop of Horrors, PHS production. You should check out the rest of it. And hopefully I will have the rest of whoever's up on there have their links to their YouTube page or whatever they have. But alright, subscribe to all my videos. Deuces.